Reviews are the way that we keep our productivity toolkits up to date. We keep them aligned with your roles, and we keep them free from errors or inconsistency. Without regular reviews, even the most well-crafted productivity system will start to fall apart. Your workflows will become outdated, your work will drift off course, and small mistakes can snowball into big problems. But when you incorporate effective reviews, you stay on top of your commitments, you keep your work aligned, and you catch issues before they derail your progress. There are three main types of reviews to consider. Action reviews are the ones that capture immediate next steps or decisions that need to be made to move your work forward. It might involve reviewing tasks scheduled for tomorrow as you plan your agenda, or reviewing projects to ensure you have clarity on upcoming actions. We have then what I call synchronization reviews. These ensure that your apps, your workflows, and productivity bridges like templates and procedures are up to date and operating efficiently. Over time, your tools and requirements will change, and synchronization reviews give you a chance to update your system accordingly. Backstop reviews are safety nets. They catch any errors, inconsistencies, or oversights that may have slipped into your work. By regularly checking for things like improperly set up recurring tasks or projects without a next action in them, you can identify and correct problems before they cause major issues. So how do you set up effective reviews? Here are a few key principles. First, use recurring tasks to trigger your reviews. Each review in your system should have a corresponding recurring task that reminds you to conduct that review and points you to the relevant information you'll need. Second, execute your reviews with dashboards whenever possible. A dashboard is a collection of related information organized in a way that maximizes the action you can take. It might be a list of projects, a query showing tasks scheduled for the week, or a combination of data from various sources. The key is to have the information you need at your fingertips so you can quickly assess this situation and capture any necessary action. Third, focus your reviews on notes and hubs, not on arbitrary time intervals. Instead of having a monolithic weekly review, consider what entities in your system actually need reviewing: tasks, projects, roles, procedures, templates, and review them at a frequency that supports meaningful action. Some projects might need reviewing every few days, while others can be reviewed every several weeks. Roles might be reviewed every couple of weeks, while procedures and templates might only need a quarterly check-in. Fourth, ensure that the feedback from your reviews is actionable. If you're consistently finding that a review isn't prompting any changes or actions, consider if it's really necessary or if it needs to be restructured to provide more valuable insight. Finally, base the frequency of your reviews on that potential for meaningful action. If you're reviewing a certain entity daily and that is overkill, space it out instead every 5 days or every 3 weeks. If you're reviewing something annually, it means that your issues are festering for too long, bump it up to every 11 weeks or so. The key is to strike a balance between staying on top of things and not overwhelming yourself with constant reviewing. Reviews keep your productivity toolkit running smoothly and effectively so you can focus on doing your best work. And like any skill, conducting effective reviews takes practice. Don't get discouraged if it feels a bit clunky at first. Keep iterating, keep refining, and soon enough, reviews will become a natural and invaluable part of your productivity practice. If you want to learn more about this and other productivity strategies, check out my book, The Rhythms of Productivity, available on Amazon.